Good day, everybody. Do you have a AC condenser or evaporator, maybe an old antique radiator that's really tough to get? Come along with me for a super boring project, but it'll be worth it. Unit I'm going to use, available in my link section there. This is it's called a radiator comb. You can see it has different fin spacing and whatnot, and this condenser, it's seen better days, but it's pretty tough to get. It's for that 911 in the background there. What I did with it, I took it in, had it dipped, and they did a pressure test. There was an old repair right here. They said the repair is absolutely fine. There's no leaks. There was a fitting issue on this side. It was smashed and it was actually leaking, so they replaced that. And yeah, pressure tested it and it was just fine. So, I mean, that cost me $100 to have done. And I'm going to go through, this is over half done already, but like all these fins down here, they all look like that. So I'm going to quickly show you how to use this. And yeah, it'll be super exciting. All right, there really isn't a lot to it. The biggest thing is you just got to find which spacing matches without, causing any issues. You look at the 9, it looks like it could, but not quite. They don't just naturally line up. Of course, the 8 is worse, not 15. Let's go back. In this case, you look at how close that, move it over here. Look at how close, like it just literally falls right into place right there. So that's your number. So this is the number 10. And you just start, walk it through, and that's it. You see these folded over here. You're gonna come up to it. It's a little awkward to use, but I mean, you get through, you pull up, and there it is, right? In this case, you can get a new one of these, but it's not, the brackets are a little different. Everything's a little bit different about it. So yeah, we're just going to take the time because it pressure tested well. We'll just fix it up and it'll work for this build. But if you're fixing something yourself and you're on a budget, I mean, this is, I think they're like $10. So again, you can find the link here on this video and take you right to Amazon where you can pick one up. So yeah, that's pretty good result, really. And it's not perfect, but you run through it a couple times, and there you go. Really, it's now I'll show you. This one you can see it's roll over right at the point in which it's the tube is. So I'll just take a pick and I'll lift that up a bit so it's off there. Go back to my number 10 and then roll it in or wobble it in there. Sometimes, so this is a good example here. It's really, these ones are definitely tight packed, but you can see they're all fairly uniform. Well, I guess aside from this junk in here. So when it's bad like this, like I said, I'll just take a pick, start rolling them up a little bit just to kind of stand them up. This works really good, like just a pick. Make sure it's not too sharp because you don't want to cause a puncture and make your day worse. Because I mean, let's face it, it's I don't mind doing this, but I'm sure there's a lot of people that would want to gouge their eyes out if they had to sit here all day or for an hour or two and do this. So there, I've got a bunch of them there, so I can start off and I can just take it up. Oop. And so I'm just walking it back and forth, and yeah, it'll just stand up, and look at that. So, and then maintain spacing. You can walk this one over Yeah, so again, I'm getting in real tight. And the reason if I were to just force it, it might work, but I could also tear the fin away from the tube. And I mean, if you do one, whatever, it's not the end of the world. The other side of this has a couple that are like that. But yeah, anyways, smash that like and subscribe. Hope you find this interesting. You can see, like, I've done this a ton. I'm sitting here talking while I'm doing it. Yeah, and like I said, there's a link down below. Take you right to Amazon. You can pick one up for $10. And full disclosure, it is an affiliate link. So that not only it'll be handy, but it'll actually help me out. So have a good day.